I only applied some foundation just to help this match my skin tone, and this is how it looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. As you guys can see, the wig came pre-curled, which I really like. This is the 613 brown and blonde highlight glueless wig. So it's a wear and go wig. You don't have to glue it down, you don't have to use any hair mousse, any hairspray. You guys can see like the lace looks extremely seamless and I've not done anything to it. So I'm just gonna hot comb the hair and then cut some layers into the hair and we're good to go.
I don't need to show my love, baby, my love slow, no. You be jealous, nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, poop off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
And then now I'm gonna go ahead and just use my melt band to melt the lace. So I'm just gonna recurl the hair just a little bit, just so I can cut some layers into the hair properly.
I don't need to show my love, baby, my love slow, no. You be jealous, nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'ma sorrow púpọ̀ fún wọn. Kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ máa dárí wárú. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Baby, jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Well, I be the 1 or 2 or 3. My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
So guys, this is what the lace looks like after taking off the melt band. You guys can see it looks really melted. You can't even see the lace, and this is 100% glueless. So this is the finished look, guys, and I think this wig is so cute. So like I said, this wig is from Yolissa Hair, and this is their brown and blonde highlights. It's a 613 blonde, and it's also a wear and go wig, which means it's 100% glueless. I've not had to use any hair mousse, any spray, any glue, any gel, nothing. This is literally straight from the box and onto my head, and this is how it looks, as you guys can see. So it is 100% glueless. I think this wig is definitely good if you're a beginner and you're not good at installing your own wigs. And this is also a 5x5 lace closure wig, so it's easy to work with. You just need to adjust the elastic band and just pop the wig on and you're good to go. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below. I'll list all the information and all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.